course, because they support us even if we have a little bit of, inflation and some economical issues recently, especially this year. So in this case, we especially thank them to support us. And you see here, we've got future processing, and I would like to invite them because they have organized some sort of trivia contest, and I think they have some results. And I think we need a hand mic, unless I will do it something like that.
Oh, thank you. It looks interesting. Hello, everyone. Once again, thank you for taking part in our contest. And okay, so here is the reminder of how this contest has been created. So you needed to post tweets, and the rest of the, let's say, requirements here are listed. And now the results. So we had 25 tweets with the hashtag and related to Databricks and/or.
Shall we? It should be. Yes.
Okay. Working?
No.
Raz, dwa.
Raz. Okay.
Okay, now it works.
So 25 tweets related to the topic of the contest, and we have selected the best 2 of them. And the second prize comes to Bartłomiej Zięcina. Thank you. All right. Congratulations, Bartłomiej. And the first prize goes to Mr. Inji Park. Do we have Mr. Inji here?
Thanks so much. Nice typewriter.
All right. Thank you very much. These are these 2 best tweets. And yeah, once again, thank you for joining the conference. Thank you for meeting at our tech session, at our stand, and hopefully see you next year. Thank you.
Thanks, Emil. So, I would like to thank a lot of people, especially you who came over here to enjoy that time with us. And I would like to thank all of the speakers that came over here to, will to share their knowledge with us. I'd like to say thank you to organizers, to volunteers who, help you to have a good time here. And there are people who are especially very intensively involved in the organization of this event, and though they couldn't be here, and one of them is Natalia Warszewska. I would like to, say big cheers to her. She was taking care of our speakers, and she did a very, very good job to keep in touch with them. So, I think you've seen that you were doing some stuff with the application, with Hoover application. I saw a few activities there, and let's have a look. Who was the most active person there? One sec. Can you see it there? Okay. So who do we have there? Mateusz Rubacha, are you here? No, he's not. Woo. Okay, Pragati, I know she left. She was a speaker. Miroslav Peszak. None of them are here. Jacek Nosal. But anyway, he will probably speak, so he anyway gets entrance for the next year's conference. So anyway, congratulations. Do we have Marcin Siwania here? Yes. So Marcin, come over here, and you know this is recorded. So next year, when we announce registration, send us an email. For the ticket for the conference part of 2024. So those 2 days, like Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay, send us email. We will give you 100% discount on a conference ticket. Congratulations. So the next thing in here. So I've seen people were making photos. We didn't have a photo contest this year, sorry. We just forgot it, but next year we will remember about it. But this is how it looks from inside, and this is how it looks from outside. So, and there will be loads of photos on Facebook, and you will probably find yourself on one of them. So, but we will post them in coming days. And now the most exciting part of this closing session is Shellor's contest. Shellor, come over. This time you are in person here.
This time I am. Hello. Thanks for staying so long with us. What should I do?
Wait for slides to come up. One sec. From the beginning. Yes. Sure.
Oh, great.
Do you want to have this one or?
Okay. So I will try to guide you through this Shellor contest. As computer geeks, we decided to prepare a contest which is 100% analog. So you will not have to use any device or software, which means that there's no excuses. You have to take part of this contest.
Exactly, and we need our helpers, our green shirts, to give us a hand. So stand up in aisles. Wolontariusze, ja was poproszę, żebyście stanęli w tych przejściach. Będziemy obserwować uczestników. We will observe you.
Yeah, the point is there are prizes, aren't they?
Okay, the first prize is the ticket for SQL Day 2024. And then we have, for the other, we've got few books from Novatek bookstore, which was with us. So you will have, place by place, we have 6 books. So we need 7 winners as finalists, and they will get those books of a choice. But what I can tell you, this first one book, okay, it is SQL, it says SQL, but the author is him, and you've got a nice autograph here. So this might be the most precious one in this stack.
Okay, let's start. Yeah?
Let's start it up.
Let's start with what? With this. Some rules. So first, please stand up. Easy. Everyone can do this.
So, a few exercises, they won't hurt you.
Okay, and the last person standing win. Yeah.
Yes.
That's the general rule. Unfortunately, some of you will be forced. We are going to be asked to sit down if you answer the question incorrectly. So wrong answer means you have to sit down.
Yes. Be honest, and sit down. Be generous.
Yes, they are exactly for
Genuine.
that. Trust and control.
Yes.
I mean volunteers. So how to answer a question? The question will be displayed on the screen, of course, and there are yes/no questions, so binary questions. You have to answer by raising your hand. Okay? And keep the hand up for a while till we decide who is going to sit down in this round. There are 27 rounds, more or less.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Questions are related to topics of this year conference. So we ask speakers to give us the questions, variety of topics. So we are going to check how much did we learn during the conference, basically. Let's test this rules in practice.
So, this is first question.
Okay. Okay. 5 more sec to
make yourselves up. Yeah.
So if you are so now we are sure the left is the left, the right is the right. Can we start? And you have to raise your hand immediately.
And keep it up. Keep it up until the answer comes up.
Okay.
Read the question carefully. Read the question carefully.
Okay? So now the first question is, okay? The first question is, DC stands for Data Community Developers Club. Can we move on?
Yeah,
Nobody is sitting down? Right, good. So the second question, the second round.
No, and the answer. The answer is Data Community.
Answer, yes.
And who answered Developers Club sits down, yeah? But
Right,
I haven't
right.
seen anyone
Forgot
so
about
far.
this part. Second round. In which version and edition of SQL Server was automatic tuning introduced? Was it SQL Server 2019 Standard Edition or SQL Server 2017 Enterprise Edition? Okay, time. Yes, no cheating. So now the answer is?
Whoa!
It's SQL Day after all.
Okay, you can lower your hands.
Yeah. 25 rounds ahead. So the next one. How many sessions were in the SQL Day 2023 agenda? 52 or 66? Okay? And the answer is 52.
You know, it's like 25, roughly 25 sessions per day.
Yes, plus this one and the opening one, yeah? Next question, next round. We can see an example of object detection or image classification. I'm talking about this part. Good. And the answer is object detection. Okay, move
Next
on.
one.
Yes, round 5. In what version of SQL Server was the include keyword added to the create index command? SQL Server 2008, SQL Server 2005. Okay? The answer is 2005.
How many people do we have standing? This is a question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think 9.
So we are close.
We are very close.
So the last 7 people, we are going to ask
Yes.
you to come.
To come over, yes.
Yeah, come over. Stay with us. Yeah, the next one. And then we will display our questions, sure. Which of the Power BI engines works in a single-threaded way? Storage or Formula engine?
Very good question.
Okay. The answer is
Formula
Formula engine.
That's why it's so slow. Okay, so those who still stand up, please come over.
The final round, yeah? Rounds.
Oh, a few final rounds.
And still, we are going to ask you questions, so probably it will be better to, yeah. Sorry, you have to stay like.
Yeah, you can actually step down so you can see questions
Yes.
clearly, and you can stay in a row, like, you know, one to another. Yeah.
Perfect. Ready? Go. Can data factories save data in on-premises databases? Yes or no? The answer is yes.
So come over here. So we'll.
No, those
who answered wrongly? Come over
yeah.
here.
Stay with us, but yeah, like that.
You will be in the next round of book selection. Yeah.
Sure.
No worries. You already won. You already won. So you will have a right to hand over the next discount code to a person of your choice. Okay? If you win. If you win.
Okay. You add a developer to the built-in role DB/DDL admin. Will this developer be able to create and change database DLL triggers? Yes or no? And the answer is
Yes. So, congratulations. You've got 2 codes. And, okay. So, this is the books that you can choose from. You can pick 2 of them if you want. Or even 3. You were the second.
okay. Maybe in the meantime we will go through the rest of the questions. Are you interested? Yeah? Yeah? So now we are playing for fun. The next round was, what is the model size limit in Power BI Premium per user workspace? 10 or 100 gigabytes?
Nie chcesz trzeciej?
Okay? And the answer is
Albo dobra,
100.
zostawmy reszcie.
Great.
Dzięki.
What is the unofficial per channel loading speed limit in the Snowflake streaming API? 5 gigs or 5 megs per second? Let's check. Go. What is the maximum payload size for SP invoke remote REST endpoint? 8 kilobytes, 100 megs.
Okay.
It's 100 megs. Good. Then, Databricks Delta live table is defined with Python and SQL or Scala and SQL. Python and SQL. And where Databricks disk cache stores its data, worker or control node? Okay, it's worker node. Then, round 15, from how many countries did speakers come to SQL Day 2023? 8 or 12? 12. Transport layer security 1.3 was introduced in the year 2018, 2020. Pretty old. Maybe time to implement. Is it possible to edit Power BI models in web browser? For example, measures, yes or no? So the answer is yes. Okay. Which member of Iron Maiden has been with the band since the very beginning? Steve Harris or Bruce Dickinson? Sure.
That was my question.
You missed the session, obviously.
Yes. The evening session.
Where is the evaluate and log DAX function log is saved? JSON, file, analysis, services trace. Okay, hard question. It's trace. My favorite. What data type have the columns start at and end at used with apply changes is SCD2 in Databricks Delta Live table? Is a column defined by the column used in the sequence by or always timestamp column? You can define it. Was there the 13th round in this contest? No, it was not. Support for select group by in always encrypted has been added in SQL Server 2019, SQL Server 2022. It was 2022. So we are learning. Is there an option to create a manual lineage in Microsoft Pureview? Yes or no? Okay. You are not playing with this question. So the answer is yes. And how many data models we have for training a multivariate anomaly detector in Azure Cognitive Services? 3 or 2? And why? It's 2. I was told by Michał. In Microsoft technology, for example, in Power BI stack, what MIP stands for? Is it Microsoft Identity Privacy or Microsoft Information Protection? Information protection. Perfect. What is the minimal version of SQL Server to have ordered column store indexes? 2022, 2019? 2022. And what is the default number of partition in Spark Engine in Synapse Analytics? 200 or 256? It's 200. I learned this an hour ago. And that's it.
Okay. Thanks, Emil.
Thank you.
Shailor. Perfect as always. And congratulations to winners. So let's continue. My mouse has died. All right. So you wonder what's next. What you're come out of this venue and you don't know what to do, or you actually know you have to implement the changes, what you've learned on those sessions and do it immediately, especially when you were on any security sessions. But go to Meetup. We've got few local groups and one general, and then if you're not there, sign up there, because in this month and next month there are coming meetings. Then we do also have some plans for September or October. If you remember, we were organizing SQL Saturday before. Similar type of event will come also to probably Lublin. This is the, they have the highest chance to organize it. We will announce it within 2 or 3 weeks. So watch our social media channels and we will tell you when and where. This event, of course, will be free for Saturday, and then we are going also to organize some pre-cons on Friday. And SQL Day 2024 is going to happen in May 2024, so it's between 13th and the 15th of May. And one of the major stars is going to be James Serra. James Serra, he works with Microsoft, I don't know, for the past over 30 years, maybe 33 or 35. And I've got a message from him that you can listen to. Okay, can you see him? Very good. But where is my mouse? Okay.
Hi, this is James Serra. I'm a cloud solution architect at Microsoft, focused on the Microsoft Data Platform and AI. I've been in the industry for the last 35 years, having used SQL servers since 1989, when it was version 1.0 on OS2. I've been at Microsoft 9 years, educating others on the Microsoft Data Platform, and I am honored to be speaking at the next SQL Day to educate you on exciting new products that Microsoft will have by then, including a big announcement at Microsoft Build on May 23rd, hint, hint. I'll talk about that and a lot more next May. I hope to see you there. Bye.
So if you don't know him, go to jamesserra.com, and he's got a nice, long history and lots of insights, especially for analytics. So I think that's the end. Thank you very much, and see you next year.